welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know I've been gone for a while, but I'm back, and I'm back with a wig from SUBELLA Hair. They sent me over their 13x4 curtain bang body wave wig in 26 inch, and the density is 180% density, guys. First, let's get into what they sent me. You know, we got some goodies here. We got some lashes. We have some nails, some press-on nails. We also have some makeup brushes, y'all. This was epic. Nobody ever sent me any makeup brushes. And we also have some HD wig caps, and we have a wig band, of course, because we have to melt that lace, honey. Now let's get into this beautiful 13x4 body wave wig. Like I previously said, this wig is 26 inches long, and it is HD lace. The lace on this wig was pre-bleached and pre-plucked. And I love that it came with these rollers for like a volume look. Since this is a curtain bang body wave wig, the style that we're going to be doing today is, of course, curtain bangs. And I am going to show you guys this beautiful hair and how I installed this wig. I did love how the knots were very small on this wig. So small knots equal a perfect install. And I love these rollers. I really do. They're like the Velcro rollers. And look at that volume when I take the rollers out of the wig. So cute. I love the lace on this wig. I love the small knots. The body wave pattern in this wig is just so beautiful. Do y'all see that? And the hair feels so soft. Now let's get into this install. So first, I'm going to just cut the lace off the back of the wig. I already have my bald cap on. This wig is going to be a glueless install. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the wig on. And I'm going to show you guys how I installed this glueless wig.
What you working with? Yeah. What you working with? What you working with?
Now, what I did notice while putting this wig on, the lace matches my skin tone just a little bit, but it is kind of darker on the darker side. So it's more of like it's like a light brown, but on like the darker side a little bit. But overall, it was okay because the lace still melted perfectly. Now I'm just gonna get ready to cut these ear tabs. And when you are installing a glueless wig, you want to make sure you cut your ear tabs a little longer than normal, because if you cut them too short, it's not gonna look right. After I cut one of my ear tabs, I like to go in and finish cutting the lace off on that side. And then after I do that, we're going to just do the other side the same way. And of course, when you're cutting your lace, you want to cut your lace in a zigzag motion and not like straight across. Now for the other side, we're going to do the same exact thing that we did on that side. We're just going to cut the ear tabs a little longer than normal since we're doing a glueless install. And then we're going to finish cutting the rest of the lace off on that side.
Even when you think it ain't city girl shit. I'm a city girl, bitch. Second verse, so you hating asshole who get mad every time I strike a pose. I'm rigged down from my head to my toes. Hood bitch dressed like a weirdo.
Now that we've cut the lace off and we've cut both ear tabs off, I'm going to go in with this Bold Hold Liquid Gold, honey. And I'm going to lay this lace down. Honestly, it's just something about glueless that I love more than glue. Especially with this Bold Hold Liquid Gold, it gives like that melting effect like glue, but of course it's glueless, and I just love that so much about this product. So I'm just gonna apply it to my ear tabs, and then after I apply it to my ear tabs, I'm gonna take my comb and just comb the hair back, because when it dries kind of hard. So you wanna make sure that the hair is in place. You don't want the hair just, all over the place, because it will dry hard. I'm gonna do the other side the same exact way. I'm gonna apply the liquid gold, and then I'm gonna comb the hair back, just so it could be real, nice and neat.
What you working with? Yeah. What you working with? What you working with? What you working with?
Now I'm just gonna take my blow dryer and blow dry the tabs on cool. I did both sides this way, and the way the lace is already melted into my skin is wild. Now I'm gonna go in with my Eben lace adhesive spray, the red can of course, and I'm just gonna spray the rest of the lace with this product. This is a glueless install, of course, so this really helps the install looks like, it just gives the install that finished touch. This spray literally got my edges looking like I have a relaxer. Like, I love this product so much, and I like because as soon as I sprayed the product on the lace like melted. Here's a little close-up on this lace. This lace is excellent. It's very thin, which I love, so it's easy to melt. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put my wig band on so we can get this lace extra melted. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start styling my hair while the wig band is on. This is a curtain bang wig, so I'm just going to kind of add some layers in the front, and I'm gonna curl it. I'm gonna take my Style Factor Edge Booster Wax Stick, and I'm just going to press that into my hair before I take the hot comb and run it through the hair. This is the best way to get your hair super flat. And with this wig and this hair on this wig, I had no problem with doing that. The hair is extremely soft, and it was super easy to lay this hair super flat as well. Now I'm gonna go ahead and layer the front so I can go ahead and create my curtain bang look. Now that we've cut our layers, we're ready to style her up. So I'm gonna just go in with my curling iron, and I'm going to curl my whole wig, y'all. I am using my T3 curling iron. I am not sure which inch this is, but get you one, because T3, honey, these curling irons are the best.
About you all day, mommy. I know I'm a pit bull, but darling, mommy, I just wanna take you on a holiday, mommy. Say what's on your mind, I'ma call away, mommy. Come and rescue me. Whoa. Take me out the club, take me out the trap, take me off the mark, take me off the map. I'm tryna hit the group chat and tell them it's a come and rescue.
I'm just gonna pin this curl so the curl in the front can last longer, so my curtain bangs will actually be curtained. Now for the comb outs. I love this hair so much. It was super soft, and I loved how it stayed curled. Like, you know, sometimes you can curl out hair and like the curl just all fall. You don't have no curl left. But this hair kept the curl in, and I loved it so much. And look at this lace. It's so melted, and it just looks so natural. And ooh, I burned myself a little bit, but it is what it is. I'm gonna just go in with my black spray, and I'm just gonna spray my part to give a neater part. I like my parts defined, so this is how you define your part. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of makeup to get that white cast like out of there. And we're just gonna comb out these curls and create this curtain bang wig. Do y'all see how this wig is just giving? Like, it's really doing what it's supposed to do, and I just loved it so much. The knots being bleached and the lace being pre-plucked just, it saved me so much time, and I just really like this wig. It's a quick and easy. You can install it very, very quick. You don't have to glue it down. You can wear it glueless. So this wig just gave me so many options, and I just loved it. So make sure you shop SUBELLA hair and get you one of these curtain bang wigs. Y'all, look at this hair, like slaying effortlessly. Like, come on now, look at this hair. I was really feeling myself after this. But if you like this video and you really liked how I installed this wig and did what I did, like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. And I'm gonna try to post more. And, you know, I appreciate all of my subscribers. I have 11,500 something subscribers, and I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Shop SUBELLA hair. See you guys later.
Maybe we can just give it a try. Maybe we can just give it a try. Maybe we